There we go. 10. Five more. Last 2. All right, Finny. 10 good squats here. We'll get that band overhead, get a little tension on, arms staying straight. Let's get those feet just a little wider if you can. Point those toes out a little bit more. Good, good, right there. Really sitting back at nice and deep, yeah, into that squat. Nice big breath in on the way down. Exhaling up. We're going to fight to get 1 inch lower if we can there, Finny. Good, right there, every rep. Two more. Last one. Good, very nice. Very, very nice. We'll go right to our wall. I'm gonna have you hook the band around right here for our rows. So we'll hook it around here. We'll step back, just exhaling as we row there. This way we can stand up, really keep that back nice and flat. Nice proud chest. Pull those shoulder blades down and back. Yeah, right there. And then bending those knees from that position. Let's get 20. Then you take a little step forward if you need. Good. There we go. 5. Keep controlling that forward. Halfway. 5 more. There we go. Last 2. 1 more. 15 leg swings each way right up against that fence, Finny. Very nice. Trying to get a little bit bigger as we go. Three more. Good, right to that other side. Very nice. Nice. 5 more. And all right, let's get to our push-up handles. We just have 5, just like that last set, on our alternating renegade pickups. Keep that chest and hips pointed straight down. Keep those hips low. Right there, Finny. That's where we want to be. Let's get it. Good. Just a little pickup. Bring those hips down and forward just a little bit. Yeah, right there. Right there. 2 more. Good. 1 more each way. Perfect. Take your time, coming up nice and slow.